Hey there, fasting enthusiasts! Welcome back to Happy Fasting Fun. Today we're diving into a fascinating topic that affects not only our fasting journey, but also our overall well-being. That's right, we're exploring the connection between intermittent fasting and hormones, specifically focusing on how it impacts men's health. So grab your favorite fasting beverage and let's get started. Understanding intermittent fasting. Before we delve into the hormone-related benefits, let's have a quick recap of intermittent fasting. In a nutshell, intermittent fasting is an eating pattern that cycles between periods of eating and fasting. It's gained immense popularity for its potential to improve health and facilitate weight management. Hormonal changes during fasting. Now, let's talk hormones. Intermittent fasting can influence various hormones in your body, and these hormonal shifts play a crucial role in men's health. One of the key players is insulin. During fasting, insulin sensitivity improves, which means your body becomes more efficient at utilizing insulin and controlling blood sugar levels. This can be incredibly beneficial for preventing type 2 diabetes and enhancing overall metabolic health. Testosterone and growth hormone. Gentlemen, listen up. Intermittent fasting has been linked to positive effects on testosterone and growth hormone levels. These hormones are essential for muscle growth, energy levels, and maintaining a healthy libido. Studies suggest that intermittent fasting can lead to increased testosterone production, helping you feel more energetic and motivated throughout the day. Leptin and ghrelin. Now, let's talk about the dynamic duo of hunger hormones, leptin and ghrelin. Leptin signals your brain when you're full, while ghrelin triggers hunger sensations. Intermittent fasting has been shown to regulate these hormones, potentially leading to better appetite control and weight management. And guys, who wouldn't want an extra edge when it comes to maintaining a healthy weight? Cortisol and stress is something we all deal with, but levels of the stress hormone cortisol can wreak havoc on our health. The good news? Intermittent fasting might come to the rescue. Some research suggests that intermittent fasting can help reduce cortisol levels, promoting a more balanced stress response and potentially improving mood. Brain health and focus. Now let's shift our focus to the brain. Intermittent fasting has been linked to enhanced brain health and cognitive function. It may stimulate the production of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, which supports the growth of new neurons and promotes better memory and focus. So, fasting not only sharpens your physique, but also your mind. There you have it, fasting fanatics. The world of intermittent fasting goes beyond just skipping meals. It's a powerful tool that can positively impact hormone levels and consequently enhance men's health. From boosting testosterone and growth hormone to regulating hunger hormones and reducing stress, intermittent fasting offers a plethora of benefits. Remember, though, that individual responses may vary, and it's important to consult with a healthcare professional before making any significant changes to your fasting routine. If you enjoyed today's video, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our fasting-related content. As always, stay informed, stay healthy, and keep embracing the happy fasting fun. Until next time, fasting friends.